Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can reset Microsoft PowerToys to factory or default settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So let us get started. Alright guys, so I'm launching the PowerToys app on my Windows 10 computer for the sake of this tutorial. And this is how I did it. So I went over to the general tab here inside the PowerToys settings, scrolled all the way down, and you will see this option here, right? Backup and restore. Now we don't want to make any backup of your settings. Instead, we want to restore the default settings. So you may, for example, click in the drop-down menu and you will see the backup information. However, that's not relevant now. So if you'd like to restore them, click into this button. Okay, the backup location is actually invalid in this case here. So yeah, you will need to do a backup first. Right, and then you can restore the default settings, right? And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.